My name is Gary Schmori, and we're from up by Leavenworth, Washington, and I was an electrical contractor for about 30 years, and we also owned a pear orchard. We've been married 42 years, my wife and I, and have four lovely adult daughters, all married, and 5 grandchildren. And we are really loving to travel. I bought a 2020 Renegade Classic, 45-foot, 4 slides, custom, pretty much everything on it. Custom floor plan, custom paint. My wife and I were looking for something different other than the ordinary cookie cutter paint jobs out there. We were able to, with Renegade, do a lot of customization in the floor plan versus the other companies we've dealt with. Virtually, they have no ability to customize. We worked with Ben right from the very start. I just can't say enough good things about the whole experience, from the very first conversation all the way through the meeting, preliminary setup, and then the ordering of the vehicle, and then his keeping in touch with me was just, it's incredible what they do here. They go out of their way to satisfy the customer. And I have not seen this type of service in anywhere before in buying anything. I was given a tour of all the facilities here, and again, I'm just blown away by how professional, how clean this everything is here, how nice everybody is. The warranty work, or warranties that are on the coach, is just unbelievable. And who else gives you an iPad with the coach that has all the videos on it, how the coach operates and what to do, what not to do? It's incredible. I'm totally satisfied with everything. I mean, I'm beyond satisfied. I can't, again, I can't reiterate how much and how great of an experience this has been. Recommendations, I've already been doing that, and it's going out there, you know, on social media, so forth. You know, I have absolutely no qualms about telling everybody how we feel about IWS and our coach.